Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sweet Yourself. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. For today's project, I'm going to share you one of the most wanted beautiful koti or jacket. You can pair this with kurti, kameez, crop top and so on. I have taken 1 meter printed cotton fabric for this project, and also I will draft the pattern first, then I will trace that in the main fabric and I will cut it. This is the fabric I am using to draft the pattern, and I have already cut out the required length and width. You can take the width as 12 or 13 inches, but here I have taken 11 inch. This is the open side. From the folded side, mark 6.5 inch. This is my shoulder measurement. Then mark 3 inch as neck width point. After this, mark half inch down. Then join this with a neck width point. After this, mark the armhole depth measurement. I am marking 6.5 inch. You can mark 7 inch or 8 inch also. How much you want, that much you can do that. Here I have taken the same measurement as shoulder. In my case, chest is 40 inch divided by 4 is 10 inch plus 1 inch for seam allowance. You can give some 2 inches also. And for waist measurement, I am marking 8.5 inch plus 1 inch for seam allowance. After this, join these points. Then place the armhole scale here and draw the back armhole curve. Then from this point, mark half inch inwards and join this with the shoulder. From here, again mark half inch inwards and then start drawing the front armhole curve. With this marking is complete, now I am going to cut it. Now separate the back portion, and I am going to trace the main fabric with this back portion only. Just open the fabric and fold it widthwise. Then place the back portion here and then trace it. This is the folded side. You have to place that folded side facing each other's and open sides with the open sides facing each other. So the length of the back portion is 18 inch. The length of the koti is 18 inch, and then extend these points and trace the sides, armholes, everything. Shoulder. This is the back neck, so I am marking 2 inch as neck depth. Then draw a round neckline for it. Now cut it. So length and width is always depends on you. How much you want, that much you can mark it. And that's it. Now I'll place this back portion again on the main fabric and I'll show you how to mark the front portion. So just place this here. Then trace the length and width, armhole, everything except neck. Now mark 8 inch as front neck depth. Then I am going to draw a curve V shape. After this, mark half inch inwards and draw a front armhole curve. From the bottom, mark 2 inch above. And then draw a slight curve. And that's it. Now I am going to cut this. Now make a slit at the center. With this cutting is complete, now I'll show you how to stitch this. This is the back portion. And lay the front portion on the back portion. Make a stitch at the shoulder. Always make a double stitch at the shoulder. Now, I have finished attaching both the shoulders. I have taken a bias tape to finish the neckline for both front and the back portion. So just place the bias tape at the right side of the fabric and make a stitch. After that, turn and make a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric. And that's it. Trim the excess fabric and make small cuts throughout the neckline. After that, fold it twice and start making a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric. I finished the neckline. This is how it looks. Now I'll show you how to finish the armhole under the front portion. So just fold it twice to the wrong side of the fabric and start making a stitch. Repeat the same for the other side of the armhole as well. And also finish the front portion area as well. For both the sides, just fold this twice to the wrong side of the fabric and finish it off. And also finish the back portion bottom as well by folding it twice to the wrong side of the fabric. Firstly, I am finishing the armhole by folding it twice to the wrong side of the fabric. So repeat the same for the other side of the armhole as well. Now finish the front part of the jacket. You can see this. So starting from here, just fold it twice and start making a stitch. Similarly, finish the other side of the front portion as well. Now I am folding the bottom twice and I am making a stitch at the inner edge of the fabric. And that's it. I have finished attaching the armhole and also the bottom, everything. Now just place this here. After this, make a stitch at the sides. Adjust the fabric and then start making a stitch. How much seam allowance you have given, that much you have to mark it and then start making a stitch. After attaching the sides, I'll attach this rope here and also to the other side as well. So just mark it and then start sewing it. After attaching the sides, just fold the raw edges twice and then start sewing it. So repeat the same for the other side of the jacket as well. Now I'm attaching the rope to one part of the front portion. Repeat the same for the other side of the front portion as well. I'm attaching the tassels to the rope. Just place the fabric here and start sewing it. With this, my stitching is complete. You can see I have finished attaching both the sides and also I have finished the bottom and I have attached the rope and tassels. It's so simple to make and you can pair this with kurti, kameez, crop top and so on. And that's it. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.